Hey, what's up guys? It's Abhi here again with another new video. So in today's video, I will tell you that how you can become an Uber driver in Australia. Driving an Uber in Australia is really good job. You are your own boss. You do not have to worry about someone is on the top of you, supervising you, giving you instruction that do this and do that. You can drive Uber whenever you want to, and whenever you want to take breaks in between, you can. There is no fixed timings in driving an Uber. You can drive at night, you can drive in the morning, you can drive afternoon. The best part is that there are no formal education and interview requirements to work and earn as an Uber driver in Australia. If you love driving cars and want to get paid while doing it, Uber works a little differently than usual taxi service. An Uber driver has to sign up on the app and complete qualification requirements, background check, and vehicle inspection to become a driver. If you are an Uber passenger, you don't require stopping a taxi and make a payment in cash. You simply need to submit a trip request using the Uber application on your smartphone. Your trip request is sent to Uber drivers close to you and alerts them on your location. The Uber driver who accepts the request will pick you up and take you to the destination. The Uber app finds out the best navigational route for the driver and computes the distance and fare. The payment is taken automatically from your preferred payment method. You have the freedom to decide your driving hours and time, morning or evening. Work as little or as much as you wish. You get paid for how much you drive. Those who drive more are paid more. Earnings are released each week. You can withdraw them anytime. Opportunity to travel to new places and new people. No makeup and uniform required. Get discount on fuel and other Uber rewards. Anyone with any background can easily become an Uber driver even at age of 40s or 50s. The most recommended service is UberX, Chevrolet Cruise, Toyota Prius, Honda Accord, Mazda 6, Honda Civic are ideal vehicles to use for this service. You must be at least 21 years of age or above, Australian citizen, your birth certificate or passport is required, a valid driver's license in any Australian territory and state, must have the vehicle insurance certificate for the vehicle that you wish to drive. Driver's photograph that clearly shows the face with no sunglasses and top of shoulders, evidence of good driving record, pass Uber health assessment or commercial standard medical check. You must have working rights in Australia. An Australian business number which is called ABN to operate your driving business with Uber. Smartphone with the fast internet connection and a portable charger. An Uber approved car based on the state and territory guidelines. Some of the requirements include high fuel efficiency, working windows and air conditioning. Not older than 10 years. No visible dent, 4 doors, seating arrangements for 4 to 7 passengers and the driver. 5-star ANCAP safety rating. Registered in the state where you will drive. CTP insurance. No commercial branding and cosmetic damage. Those who don't have access to an Uber approved vehicle can rent one from any Uber rental partners. Buying a new car is a good decision to obtain better fuel efficiency, mileage, and lesser breakdowns. Start sign up procedure. Begin by downloading Uber Driver app on your smartphone. Alternatively, you can visit Uber website, create a new account, and complete the steps to sign up with Uber. The process is easy and takes only 5 minutes to complete. You will have to answer simple questions related to you and your vehicle. After a successful sign up, the next important step is to upload the necessary supporting documents. Identity proof documents such as passport, birth certificate, Australian citizenship certificate, vehicle registration document that mention the vehicle identification number, vehicle's year and model, vehicle number plate and certificate expiration date, vehicle insurance certificate that clearly states that start and expiry date of insurance, valid driving license from state where you will drive, driver profile photo, an Australian business number which is called ABN. In absence of working rights verification documents such as Australian birth certificate, passport, citizenship certificate, you must undertake a visa entitlement verification. Next, pass a background check based on location you wish to drive and complete a vehicle examination. The process confirms that you are legally fit and qualified person to work as an Uber driver. It takes around 2 weeks to complete the process. You will obtain a Rideshare license from the transport authority of your state when everything is reviewed. The entire process from sign up to background check and license application can take up to 1 to 3 months. A vehicle inspection is another essential requirement that you need to complete. Successful passing of the tests confirm that the vehicle is roadworthy. Get the vehicle insurance that covers Uber. Having vehicle insurance is another requirement to become an Uber driver. The car insurance for Uber drivers can be a third-party insurance or a comprehensive insurance. The final step to working as an Uber rideshare driver includes completing the driver safety education course online via an Uber account and getting driver's accreditation. To work and earn as an Uber driver in Australia, you must hold a driver's authorization/driver accreditation based on the state where you wish to work. The process to obtain this authorization includes clearing an Uber health assessment test to demonstrate your fitness to drive. Once you have done this, submit the driver's authorization application with a medical examination certificate and application fee at a local Department of Transport and Main Road office. Signing up to Uber and uploading the required documents through the Uber driver app takes up to 1 to 3 days for approval and around a week to finish the security check. So now I will take you to the website, which is one of the best websites to find information all about becoming an Uber driver. So here I'm onto the website called www.uber.com/au/en/drive. So here let's go on to the overview first. Opportunity is everywhere. Make the most of your time on the road with requests from the largest network of active riders. Receive an extra of $750 when you sign up and complete 30 trips. So must complete trips within 90 days of commencing signing up. So you need to fill out this form. As you can see on the screen, now you can click on sign up to drive and then you start filling out other details. And here, estimated earning $1,975 a week you earn driving an Uber. Include $25 in tips. Around 50 hours a week you earn this much amount of money, guys, which is I think quite a lot of money, and I think this is great. So this is all you need to know to become an Uber driver. I hope you liked this video and found this information really helpful, and I will see you in the next interesting video. Until then, goodbye.